Yeah, Evan, Jess, that's right. There's a lot of stuff going around right now, right? Well, that's why health officials are concerned about whooping cough, especially because it is so contagious. Cases of pertussis, better known as whooping cough, are surging in Oklahoma. There have been 439 cases reported in the state this year, with 38 new reports within the past week alone, according to data from the CDC. Compare that to just 10 cases reported in Oklahoma for all of 2023. Nationally, there have been 5 times more whooping cough cases this year compared to last year. The highly contagious disease even forcing the Binger-Oni School District to cancel their last day of classes before their Christmas break. We recently spoke with a pediatrician at Norman Regional Health about the uptick.
I don't necessarily think anyone needs to panic. I think the big takeaway is making sure that we are preventing illness.
The Oklahoma State Department of Health says these high levels appear worse because levels were unusually low in previous years because of COVID-19 precautions. Symptoms of whooping cough start like a cold with a runny nose, mild cough, or fever, but after a week or two,
it causes severe coughing fits. And so patients who have whooping cough will have extreme coughing fits. They'll cough, cough, cough. And it's severe enough to where it's difficult for them to even catch a breath.
The disease is especially dangerous towards children and infants.
Even if you are vaccinated against whooping cough, you can still be a carrier of it and you can pass it on to others.
And doctors say it's still a good idea to practice healthy habits like washing your hands or covering your mouth and nose if you cough and sneeze. Reporting live, Zach Royale, KOCO 5 News.